What is noun? Noun identifying the name of persons and things. Kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. Proper noun: Subhash is the brilliant boy. Subhash, proper noun. Common noun: the cow gives us milk. Nation's name: cow. Cow, common noun. Collective noun: student and army. Materials noun: gold is the valuable metal. Gold. Materials noun. Abstract noun: walls, high. Hooray, hooray, we have won the match. Walls in the is no more. Walls, hooray. Noun. The abstract noun: hooray, walls. Pronoun. Pronoun instead of the noun. Ram is going to the school. He is going to the school. Verb. Verb understand the working or actions. He plays football. Plays verb. He eats rice. Eats verb. Adverb. Adverb is modifying of the verb and is understand the positions of the verbs. He is walking slowly. Slowly, adverb. Preposition: it identifying or means the positions of the noun. The birds are flying in the sky. তাহলে prepositions identifying or means the positions of the noun or verb. Conjunction: it adding to the sentence. But or and. Conjunction: it understand the emotional source. Walls, high. Present indefinite tense: he eats rice. I go to the school. Present continuous tense: I am eating rice. He is finding to me. I am looking to you. Present perfect: I have eaten rice. I have gone to the school. Past tense: I went to the school. Past indefinite tense: I went to the school. Past continuous: I was going to the school. Past perfect tense: I had gone to the school.